When rainwater from your gutters and downspouts is unable to flow far enough away from your house, it can cause erosion and damage your home's foundation. Prevent this problem with the 60-inch StealthFlow low-profile downspout extension. With the StealthFlow system, you can easily divert rainwater away from your home and your foundation. Best of all, no digging required. Easily cover the low-profile design with mulch, straw, or stones to blend into the surrounding environment. Because there's no digging required, StealthFlow is ideal for areas where there is limited ability to dig, where the ground is shallow, and when above-ground drainage is needed, but you don't want an obtrusive look. If you need underground drainage, StealthFlow also can be buried beneath flat surfaces like sidewalks or driveways and works well when transitioning from above-ground drainage to buried drainage. It also connects easily with other FlexDrain products. To connect the StealthFlow system with other drainage components, you will also need the StealthFlow transition piece. The StealthFlow extension is 60 inches long, but you can snap together several StealthFlow units for added length. Made from durable resin to withstand the outdoor elements and heavy weight, you can rely on the StealthFlow system. Don't let standing rainwater damage your home. Install the StealthFlow system and divert that water elsewhere.